In this video, you will see how to remove section break in Word on iPad. To remove section breaks, first you need to see the section breaks, and to see them, go to the Home tab and then click on this icon of paragraph and formatting. After tabbing or clicking on this option, scroll down at the bottom of the menu and select the option paragraph marks. Now, after you tick this option, you will be able to see the hidden formatting and the section breaks appear in the hidden formatting. As you can see here, we have a section break, next page. And if I go to the next page, you can see that there is one more section break, but this is a continuous section break. Now to delete them, what we need to do is just double tap on the section break to select it. And after selecting here, you will see the option of delete. Just tap on the delete button and the section break will be deleted. Similarly, you can just tap on the another section break and then tap on delete to delete it. Once you have deleted all the section breaks in your whole document, to hide these formatting marks, just go to the Home tab, tap on Paragraph and Formatting option, scroll down at the bottom, and this time instead of ticking, untick this option, Paragraph Marks, to hide the formatting marks and to make your document look normal. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word on iPad quickly. See you again in the next one.